Student friends, myself Guneswar Kalita, welcome all of you to my educational YouTube channel Guneswar Kalita tutorial. Student friends, in our previous class I have discussed some questions of determiners. Students, today I am going to tell what is determiner. A determiner is a word which is used before a noun to specify quantity or to clarify what the noun refers to. So students, determiners are of different types. Number 1, article, a and the. Number 2, article-like determiner, this, that, these, those. Number 3, cardinal determiners related to number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Next, number 5, ordinal determiners, first, second, third, fourth. They are position based. Next, number 6, possessive determiners. They are meant relations. For example, my, mine, your, our, ours, his, her, their, its, Barun's, etc. Next, number 7, quantitative. They mean amount, like few, little, much, many, some, several, any, half, enough, etc. So student friends, today also I am going to discuss some determiners. The question is like this: choose the right determiners from among the alternatives given and fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash guidance from you will be enough for me. The options are little, a little, the little. The answer will be a little guidance from you will be enough for me. Next, number 2, I am grateful for dash help he gave me. Options are little, a little, the little. The answer is I am grateful for the little help he gave me. Next, number 3, we shall stay here for dash while. Little, a little, the little. The answer is we shall stay here for a little while. Next, number 4, they had only dash money left. Option little, a little, the little. The answer is they had only a little money left. Next, number 5, can you help me with dash money? Options, question mark, options little, a little, the little. So the answer is can you help me with a little money? Next, number 6, can you help me with this money you have? Question mark, option little, a little, the little. So the answer is can you help me with the little money you have? Next, number 7, with dash help from you, I can do the job. Options little, a little, the little. The answer is with a little help from you, I can do the job. Next, number 8, we have only dash money. Options little, a little, the little. We have only a little money. He gave dash money he had to his mother? Options are little, a little, the little. He gave the little money he had to his mother. It's the money which his mother had. So he gave all the money. So the little is used here. Next, number 10. A busy man has dash time to spare. Little, a little, the little. As the person is busy, so he has no time. So to mean no time, little is used. A busy man has little time to spare. Next, number 11. I have dash time to go to cinema as I am very busy with my work. Option little, a little, the little. The answer is I have little time to go to cinema as I am very busy with my work. Next, number 12. The patient is very ill, but still there is this hope that he would recover. Little, a little, the little. The answer is the patient is very ill, but still there is a little hope that he would recover. Next, number 13. The patient is very ill, there is this hope that he would recover. The options little, a little, the little. Answer, the patient is very ill, there is little hope that he would recover. The patient is very ill, there is no hope. So there is little is used here to mean no hope. Next, number 14. He earns less money than you. Here little less list. So the answer is he earns less money than you, as it is compared. So little less is used here for comparative degree. Next, number 15. Please give me dash time to finish this letter. Option little, a little, the little. Please give me a little time to finish this letter. Next, number 16. He gave dash money to the beggar. Little, a little, the little. He gave a little money to the beggar. Number 17. The man spent dash money he had. Little, a little, the little. The answer is the man spent the little money he had. The cat drank dash milk in the cup. The cat drank the little milk in the cup. Means the cat drank the milk which was in the cup. Next, number 19. I have to maintain my family with dash money I earn. Option little, a little, the little. I have to maintain means I have to manage my family with the little money I earn means which money I earn. By that money I have to manage my family. Next, number 20. We shall stay here for dash while. Little, a little, the little. The answer is we shall stay here for a little while. Thank you, students. These are given for practice. So you will do some others from your textbook. I think this will help you, and if you like this, then please subscribe my channel Guneswar Kalita tutorial, and mark a like also. So thank you.